Hi all, welcome to POWERFLIK. Today we are going to see how the subjects in Diploma EEE are interlinked and what all the key subjects regarding this Diploma in EEE. This particular session is made taking C23 curriculum into consideration. I have divided these subjects. I have taken only some subjects related to this which are technically important. So these subjects are categorized into 5 categories. One is application, second one is core, third one support, fourth one core basic, and fifth one is basic. Application, in the sense, these subjects are more near to the application field, like we'll use this on the everyday fields which we are working on. So PLC will come under this category. This subject will be used in the industries where PLC is a unique microcontroller used to control all the activities happening in the industries. So for example, CNC machine will be controlled by PLC, or hydraulic press. These sort of machines will be controlled by PLCs. The second one is industrial management and smart technologies, say IoT, smart fans. All these technologies will comes under this subject. And the third one is electric vehicles. Nowadays electric vehicle industry is a very booming industry, and this subject will tells us how a triple engineer, how he acts in the particular area which is electrical vehicle. And the next one is traction, electric trains, say metro train, and also the electric trains which we usually see will come under this subject, how the traction happens. So all these 4 subjects are very near to the application level. That's why I categorized them into application. To excel in these application related subjects, we need to learn 3 core subjects, very important subjects, that is power systems, electrical machines, and power electronics. Power systems, electrical machines, and power electronics. I'll give a small example. Say consider electric vehicle. Electric vehicle will have traction motor, that is some motor which is used for the traction. We need to charge that electric vehicle, so we'll have power electronics. And while charging the vehicle, we should not affect the grid. That comes under the power systems. So all these 3 subjects will be interlinked and also very important for the application level subjects. For these subjects, we require some support subjects, which are programming in C and microcontrollers. In order to work with power electronics, we need to use gate pulses for the switches. For that we require microcontrollers. How the microcontrollers are programmed, for that we require the programming in C. Got it? Similarly, electrical machines, we will be using so many control strategies in the machines. For that we require microcontrollers, and microcontrollers are programmed by programming in C. And also we have microprocessor based relays, and so many cutoff strategies will be used in the power systems, which in turn requires the microcontrollers and also the programming in C. That is why these are considered as like support subjects. For all these subjects, we have a core basic subjects. Those are basic electrical engineering, AC networks, digital electronics, and basic electronics. All these 4 subjects are very important because these lay the foundation of the electrical engineering. First we have to learn the basic electrical engineering, which tells us how to analyze the circuits. These all are DC circuits, so we have AC networks. Usually these two will be commonly called as network analysis or circuit analysis in engineering. That is a different part, but These two are very basic subjects which requires to analyze power systems, electrical machines, power electronics. Everywhere you have to use this. Like if you want to find the voltage in a particular component of voltage drop in a particular component of a power electronics, you require basic electrical engineering. When you're working with transformers, you require AC networks. When you're finding the resistance, inductance of a transmission line in power systems, you require this basic electrical engineering. And this digital electronics is a base subject for the microcontrollers. Usually, how microcontrollers are designed, what all the components internally to the microcontroller will be learnt in digital electronics. And for this digital electronics, we should have the basics of electronics. Basic of electrical engineering is far different from the basic of electronics. Here in electrical engineering, we'll be learning the things related to, like, these are very power level, but in electronics these are signal level, very small resistors, diodes, Zener diodes, whatnot. We'll learn everything about the components. These are the core basic subjects. For these to understand the multiplications, integrals, differentiations, you require a very basic subject known as mathematics. And the laws of physics which we are going to use in the basic electrical engineering and basic electronics, you require physics. And when we are selecting a part, the material used in that will also be taken into consideration, what all the chemical properties. And to learn that, we'll be learning about the chemistry. But these three subjects will not be directly used. Mainly chemistry, you can't see any direct implication, but part of the subjects can be seen, like dielectrics or the material dielectrics, magnetic materials, and sort of things you will be getting into chemistry. But these are very basic subjects and basic knowledge is required on the mathematics, physics and chemistry. There are other subjects which are not added in this, are English, engineering drawing, electrical installation and estimation, general mechanical engineering, and so on. So these are not what I say, these are not covered in this course, like the diploma course, like which what I want to tell. So the courses which I'm planning to teach are just covered in these five different categories. Hope you understood everything. If at all you require any information other than this, do comment below. I'll revert. Thank you for watching the video. All the best.